complex cosmos we're part of today. We've traced its discovery back to the mid-20th century, when two American radio astronomers, Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson, stumbled upon it by pure chance. While they initially thought they were dealing with mere interference, they had unintentionally uncovered one of the most significant scientific discoveries of our time. Their work earned them the Nobel Prize in Physics, a testament to the monumental importance of their discovery. Please like the video. The Cosmic Microwave Background, or CMB, is a snapshot of the universe at a very early stage. It's like a baby photo of the cosmos, if you will. It provides us with a unique look at the universe when it was just beginning to form its first structures. The patterns we observe in this background radiation are the seeds from which galaxies, stars, and eventually life as we